Angels and Dudes. How to make ocean surf DIY bath bombs inspired by the crisp, refreshing feeling of the ocean. Learn how to make these fresh scented DIY bath bombs that are scented with a cool, fresh blend of apricot, geranium, cucumber, fresh water, and coastal air, making them a great pick-me-up. You'll imagine yourself on a sandy beach somewhere beautiful. The ingredients are baking soda, citric acid, dead sea salt, sea clay, melted shea butter, fragrance oil, and blue mica powder. To a large mixing bowl, add baking soda, citric acid, dead sea salt, sea clay, and blue mica powder. Mix well, making sure to break up any clumps. Drizzle fragrance oil onto the powder and mix well. Then, using a dropper, slowly drizzle 1/4 of a teaspoon of the melted shea butter onto the mixture and mix quickly. Check your mixture by squeezing it with your hand. If the mixture is moldable, then you're ready to mold. You want it to be wet enough to clump together, but not too wet. Carefully mold the bath bombs using molds, cups, an ice cream scoop, or even an egg poacher. Allow the bombs to dry for 4 to 6 hours or until they have hardened completely. Store your bath bombs in an airtight package. If you're giving them as gifts, they look lovely in cello bags with some decorative ribbon. To use, drop 1 bath bomb into warm bath water. Enjoy! Wow, look at that amazing fizz! Wanna take your body refreshing one step further? Ocean Surf Cooling Aloe Mist is a light, refreshing way to fragrance, plus keep you odor-free all day long. And it has the same cool, fresh blend of apricot, geranium, cucumber, and coastal air as the bath bombs. Make a batch of these nourishing bath bombs and tap into the sea's special energy even when you can't get to the beach. They're great pick-me-ups that'll have you imagining yourself on a sandy beach somewhere beautiful. For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes, don't forget to subscribe!